It's New Food Friday.
What in the world are we gonna try this week?
Is it gonna be good? Is it gonna be bad? We're gonna have to taste it to find out.
White Twix. Have you tried it yet? We just found them at Walmart. And we're gonna give them a try. You got one, Em?
Yeah.
Should we open them up and give them a try?
Yeah, let's open them up.
All right. Open them up. Break one in half. Give it a try. What do you think? What? Hold on. Your mouth is too full. Okay. Chew it up and then tell us. Why don't you tell us while he's still chewing?
Good. Kind of tastes like a white
Wait, don't bite it
Kit
again.
Kat and
What are you talking about?
mixed with the Twix.
White Kit Kat with a Twix. All right, tell him what you think of it.
Right?
It's good because it's normal and it's whiter and it's so good and chocolatey.
Do you love it?
I love it.
Do you want to eat the rest?
Yeah.
All right, Anthony and Colin, come give it a try.
This is way better than normal Twix.
It's super good.
This is far better. I prefer this more than a normal Twix. Yum.
All right, let's give it a try. What do you think?
It's not as chocolatey as a normal Twix.
I think I'd prefer regular.
It is good.
It is good.
It's different, but it's good.
It's not quite the same. I think the chocolate and the caramel go really well together. And the white chocolate and the caramel are not as good. You taste the cookie part more and not the chocolatey. I think I like regular.
Regular's better if you want a Twix, but these are good.
I probably wouldn't choose to buy these again. They're sweeter. I think the white chocolate just has a sweeter taste than the regular chocolate.
That was cool.
All right, let's see what Doug thinks.
It's good. Tastes like a Twix.
Orange.
I don't know. It doesn't, definitely not as chocolatey.
Orange.
Which would you prefer?
Probably regular.
All right, a thumbs up and thumbs down.
Some Kinder
If we all think it tastes good, we're going to give a thumbs up or a thumbs down on if we prefer this or regular.
Thumbs up.
Thumbs up, thumbs down.
Thumbs up.
So it looks like 2 kids prefer white chocolate, the rest of us like regular.